we're in the village of Tremail to see this lovely 2-bedroom cottage. So the property is located around about 15 to 20 minutes from the coast. The closest town is the town of Launceston. So the cottage itself I will show you shortly, as firstly is the outside parking space. It's obviously got a couple of storage facilities and a lovely little garden. So it stretches quite far back. It's got a few shrubs to maintain and some lovely outdoor dining areas. It's just a very pretty little country garden. So as you keep on walking, at the end here is a perfect spot for sitting back and just looking at the countryside views. Really lovely. There's even a couple of horses there. So I'll now take you inside. So it's a really nice location if you want to be a bit further out in the countryside, with also a few neighbours surrounding. So let's just take you into the cottage. So you've got a nice conservatory at the front here, and then the entrance door. So come on in. So the conservatory is really lovely and bright. It obviously looks out onto your parking there. So you've got open plan lounge diner. You can shut the door there for your kitchen. It's got a fantastic wood burner there. Dining area, and here's your kitchen. Really lovely cottagey feel. So as you go upstairs, firstly have the bathroom. So the bathroom has a shower over the bath. Nice to have a window there as well. So this is probably the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. And finally, this bedroom here, which is a really great size. If you're interested, do get in contact.